Hello. In this video I will be reviewing the CCI Histogram Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is an upgraded version of the CCI indicator which, in addition to the CCI line, also displays histograms that can help us in identifying trends. In this way, when the histograms are blue, it indicates an upward trend. When they are brown, it indicates a downward trend.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
And when they are silver, it indicates a neutral trend, or a market without a trend. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the CCI indicator period, which we can specify. The next option is the number of candles we wait for after a trend change to confirm the trend. And the last option is the number of candles in the past chart on which this indicator performs calculations. Let's watch a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform together. You can also use the MT4 version and this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. Let's watch a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform together. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.